Hey everybody, today we're going to start the video with the world's ugliest pair of shoes according to my wife and the pocket hose. Now, I love this thing. I don't know why. It's the world's dumbest thing in the world to be excited about, but it's really tiny. I had to replace my garden hose, and this was the #1 recommended one on Amazon, so check it out. Turn the water. I'm going to close this, and it turns out this, you turn the water on, this bad boy extends. Look at it. Look at it grow. Holy cow. It's the world's dumbest thing to be excited about. But I love it. It's the coolest thing. So let's go over and check how our Cquartz is doing ceramic coating on our daily driven car. So I have not, I'll take this with us. I have not washed the car. I have not done squat. I took this thing in the snow. I've taken this every which way possible. We're gonna go ahead and give her a whirl. Here we go. See how she does. Haven't washed it, haven't done squat. Turn the water off. Here we go. Not too bad. However, you can see on this side, so this is 6 months worth. Absolutely nothing there. And it looks like, for the most part, it's still working on this side. So far, so good. Not great, but definitely a big difference on that side. So if you remember, this was the Cquartz side. This was the nothing side. Go ahead and spray her down. Now, mind you, I haven't washed this, so that might have something to do with it. Yeah, immediately you can kind of see it right here. Starting to come up. So anyway, there's your 6 month in action.